Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share from beebeecraft. They had contacted me a while back about, showcasing some of their products. They're a Chinese company and they want to, of course, get their brand out there. And they have a variety of different things. And of course, do some projects for them and show off the things that I chose. And of course, you see there's some other people doing some similar things as well. And so what I ordered 4 different things, and I'll show you what I got. So I got these miniature clothespins. Let me give you the actual title of them, so if you want to look them up. This is the Aircraft 100-piece wooden clothespin, craft pegs, clips, photo paper. That's what it says. So if you just look up clothespins, these are the small ones. I thought I had meant to go back and get the larger ones, but I got the smaller ones. But you can still do a lot of things with those, so I will be showing some projects with that. This is also by Aircraft. This is a 100-piece nylon cord tassel pendant with decoration with brass. That's what that's called. And so you can see these in multiple colors. I love the variety of colors. Just like this has a variety of colors, so I don't have to paint any of the clothespins. I don't have to worry about these. So you can see that they're small, but they're cute. They can hang off any kind of little dangles, and that's what I wanted. Some things that can hang off some dangles, some projects. Look at that pretty royal blue and that emerald. The lighting is terrible. Scaring the storm. That red. So various colors, and I like these. So these will definitely come in handy. You can use these for a lot of different things to hang off. So I'm excited about that. And then this one is called the Aircraft. One box, about 1,230 pieces, 15 colors, half round / dome pearls. And so these come nicely secured in this package, the Ziploc package, and now the sealing package. And then in this nice case, and it's nice and heavy, it's got weight. And then so you just lift these little lids. And I love, you have quite a few colors. So this will last a while. And so these, we put these on our little accents and stuff. It's got the little pearlized look to it. It's blue, purple, got white, a red, sorry you can't see too well, a green, yellow. They also have these in the larger size too. It's kind of like a seafoam, like a cola, more of a royal. It's like a graphite color. Oops. Like a beige, like a coral, like a peach, and then a mustard, and then last but not least, a gray. So there are the 15 colors. I'm excited to use these because these you can put on any kind of project. Little accents, on cards, scrapbook layouts, memory decks, cards, ATCs, iCads. I just can't think of anything paper crafty that you couldn't put this on. Scrapbook layouts, mini albums, everything. So that's the third item. And then the last but not least is beebeecraft metal cutting dies / stencils for DIY scrapbooking / photos. That's what it says. But basically, just type in dies, and they should come up. So this was a nice collection of dies for the price too as well. So you got a 5-piece set, excuse me. So you've got your rectangles, and these have the dots on them, like the like a stitched rectangle. And remember where they go. So I'll let you know the size. So the largest is 4 3/4 by 3, almost 3 1/2, about 3 3/3, 3 3/3, 3 3/8. Excuse me. What kind of numbers is that? And this heart at the widest is about 3, and let's see, 1 2 3 3/16. Yeah. Oh, maybe 3 1/4. And so you've got another stitched one, these two stitched hearts, and then this decorative one on the outside. You've got the scallop one, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piece, and then you have little stitches not around the whole thing, but in parts of the, sort of like the leaf, the curved part. And the width of that at the widest is about 2 and I'm gonna say about 13/16. It's the biggest in that, probably. Yeah, it's a little shy than 3 inches. And then you also have the squares. But again, most of it is a lot of jewelry making items, so this is about 3 1/8. So, and then this set right here, and this has, as you can see, a tulip and a heart around it, and then hearts are all on these other ones right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 5 piece, and I'm sorry, I didn't tell you the square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piece. And this blossom is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this circle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this one is 1, 2, 3. And the rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 pieces. And the same thing, the width for this circle is about 3 1/2. Is that 3 1/2? I'm sorry, 3 1/2. And yeah. And that's about 3 1/2. So these could kind of layer over each other. So really nice dies as well. So I'll be interested to try these out and see how they go. So I will come back with separate projects with these. So again, check out Beebeecrafthaul, alloneword.com, and you can check out their website and see what they got going on. And I'll be back with some projects. All right, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I tell you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.